Well, part of our infrastructure build is getting permanent feeders in place. And so we could have gone with a metal feeder, it's a little cheaper. But with the size of the animals we have, both the cows and the hogs, they're so heavy, so destructive that they can beat up any piece of equipment. So we're going to take a chance and see if this will hold up against the abuse of cows as well as our hogs. And these are actually designed for cattle. So the legs are up, and so the whole thing's raised up a little bit. However, with the hogs, we want to have it lower. So we'll just dig in about this far down into the ground and then set this down into the ground when we're ready. I still have to build a gravel base there, and then we'll set it in place, and we should be good with the hogs and with the cattle.
Our cows are grass-fed. That is the main food source that they have. But we do like to give them some grain treats every so often, maybe like every other day or so, just to kind of give them a little bit of a tasty treat and also to train them to be able to come to us. But we have found that when we throw the grain on the ground, a lot of it goes to waste. So that is the reason why we have bought these feeders, just so that when we do give them the grain for treats, none goes to waste. They get everything that they are given. We'll get your food in there, guys. So we're putting down 2 for the cattle right now. Until we get the pig pen all set for one of these, we're just going to use it for the cows, and then we'll eventually move it into the pig pen. Oh, Willie, he sees it. There's the bag.
Hey, I'm not professional.
Yeah. Especially when it comes to that food.
Hey, greedy. There you go. Hey! Hey! Come on, meathead! Get out of my way!
Yeah, bucket will definitely be easier. There you guys go. Put a little bit over here for you. Just a wee treat. There are drainage holes on each side, which is perfect. Is that good, Mama? This is Ridge. This is our firstborn. Buddy. Now no grain will go to waste. It'll be a lot easier for them to scoop it up with their mouths.
What you thinking, huh? What you thinking, Willie? Be like, I don't even know you. I just ignore you. We got the concrete feeder in, and we have put gravel in the main paddock area here. Hopefully we won't have as many big mud holes here. It'll be much better in the wintertime. You need a saddle for him.
I could. I need a carrot on a stick.
He might decide he's had enough of that, Gabe. You know he can kill you like easily.
Oh yeah.
Peter, you're not supposed to stand in your food. That's not where you're supposed to go, buddy. We've come down to feed the pigs, and look at the little piglets. Oh, careful, Peter, don't step on them. Oh, we got one out. Get back in, little one. Hey, Mama. Herself, that's our little injured one. Oh, scratching it. Just popping out. Hey, one got two. puppy on the wire. Fighting over the food.
Oh, I'm sorry, little one. I didn't mean to scare you. Uh-oh, are you stuck? There you go. You got out. I just adore you little things. I wish I could snuggle with them without freaking Mama out. Oh, getting more through. More breakouts. Look at that wound all healed up.